Green anacondas are among the largest snakes in the world. They can reach lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh more than 500 pounds, making them the heaviest snakes. These snakes are highly adapted to an aquatic lifestyle. They are excellent swimmers and spend much of their time in rivers, swamps, and marshes. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while the rest of their body is submerged. Green anacondas are non-venomous constrictors. They have a diverse diet that includes fish, birds, mammals, and even caimans and capybaras. Their powerful jaws and stretchy ligaments enable them to consume prey much larger than their head. These snakes are ambush predators, often lying in wait in water or along the banks to surprise their prey. They use their muscular bodies to coil around and constrict their prey until it suffocates. Green anacondas exhibit a unique reproductive behavior known as a breeding ball. During the mating season, multiple males may coil around a single female, competing to mate with her. This can last for several weeks. Unlike many other snakes that lay eggs, green anacondas give birth to live young. A female can give birth to 20 to 40 live young at a time, though some litters can be even larger. In the wild, green anacondas can live up to 10 years, but in captivity, they have been known to live over 30 years. In rare instances, green anacondas have been observed exhibiting cannibalistic behavior, where a larger anaconda preys on a smaller one. This is more common in female anacondas, which are typically larger than males, and may occasionally prey on males, especially during or after the breeding season. After consuming a large meal, green anacondas often become less active and may remain in one place for extended periods while digesting. During this time, they are more vulnerable to predators, so they typically find a secure, hidden spot to rest. The digestion process can take several days to weeks, depending on the size of the prey, during which the snake will avoid unnecessary movements to conserve energy and aid digestion. Green anacondas, despite their massive size, are capable of rapid strikes and capturing prey. They can quickly lunge out of the water to grab prey with their jaws before coiling around it. This speed and precision make them formidable hunters, despite their generally slow and sluggish appearance.